Just don't hit me. Woo! Hey, Pratt's hood was steaming one time.
Like a white, foggy mist emanating from the top of the screen.
Yeah. A little slick through here. LR4's getting sideways. Everyone's tires are getting a little mud clogged. Andy, you took that not a good angle. You gotta, everyone has to maintain some speed in the mud. Don't lose momentum. And you need to back up, but cut driver and back up. You need to spin around. Now back up. Keep going back. Straighten your wheels out. So you get a little bit on the grass, so you get some traction, and then get on it. Get on it. More on it. All right, back up in the grass some more, and let me get out. Andy is slipping. All right, well, go up, go up, go up. There you go. All right. I wanted to pull you. Just don't hit me. Woo! Whee! Now I gotta go back up. So I know this doesn't, keep going. I know it doesn't look steep, but this is steep. This is steep.
Oh, you're not doing back yet?
Oh.
He's got no traction.
You're good, you gotta commit. More speed. Yeah! Come on, go, go. Go, go!
Oh, you're not getting there now. Hold on, look out.
creeping now. Less brakes, more steering. Beautiful. It's slick here too. There's a little bit of a ditchy poo over there.
Yeah, I didn't see that. Was it bad though?
Yeah, not too bad. I would